Hello and welcome to new episode of ideas for new programming language. In this episode, we will talk about vertical unit publish fresh says smart keywords. Let's first talk about vertical keyword. It's object oriented stuff, so we put in to so unit keyword like name space. Simply we can say that thing. Unit let's call it main lab we have unit of what we call strings let's say by default is public. We have another keyword here, we can use that is publish. Let's say mid we have to add some, or simply call it right these are for example for your understanding and of course my understanding. Let's see and how many. Let's say we have main.r let's say print left. Here you see we do not have to say left is by using publish keyword, and we can say that the publish is equal to global keyword in other language. Here left is equal to using main lab dot strings dot left. Even this can be a private class, but by using this publish means as function become global, and of course it's available namespace wise when conflicts happen, either somebody else or somebody in some other unit the same right or left is declared, then user must provide full path or required path. You can add like something that using main line, but these ideas are still under construction. So unit is basically a namespace keyword, publishes global. In this example as you are seeing, let's complete it. Someday hope this function like this will work, but these are under construction ideas. These are new ideas. Okay, we are little did a mistake. That's it. We talked about actually unit keyword. We now have to talk about particle. Okay, sorry to say that, but this should about unit. Now we will talk about vertical keyword. What is vertical keywords? Simply saying that we have a class button and now we have a button have a vertical. Let me say that vertical is equal to a event on click. Now we have a class our made form based on form class and it has button call button. Hello. So by using vertical keyword we can it's basically a new concept, and by using vertical keyword when this is implemented any or our language, this will provide us a with this kind of functionality. This means you do not have to attach on click when this function and button, this function is needed to be called, this function will be called. I hope you are getting the idea. This is simple, very simple. This is very simple useful feature for GUI based applications. And later in upcoming videos I will describe this particle keyword more. Okay, suppose this is mainFrm or main Windows. When shown a button called button hello world, when somebody click on it, it will display message box hello world. Simple as that. No need to do stuff in constructor to bind with the events. This keyword will handle. Next task will be to implement ABI or application binary interface. For this, it's a kind of a virtual function, but not like virtual. It's particle. But it means that this class can call its host class function. I hope you get the idea, as this example is very clear. Its form, its button in the form in the Windows. Next we will talk about fresh. This is non-OOP stuff, so we call it plain or data or form. Let's first talk about size keyword. Why not combine this keyword fresh? And let's talk about smart. Okay, article unit publish has been done, and this is logged here. Let's go to Google and as this we can name our language named after ritchie, called ritchie, or say R. We have open name, We can surely get some example here. Open file name, let's say. There is no example here, but definitely we going back and okay, internet connection is dropped. For example is that open file name we can say fresh and sized. What fresh will do here, first it will memset like zero and size of. It's simple as that. Fresh mean that we will get the all zeros in this data structure, and after that is sized keyword. For sized keyword we can use something, but we have to first use our at rate of operator, so it's kind of meta operator. At is for now used for meta values. At open file name meta value called size field equal to size of this structure should be provided in this value. So this is meta value already provided in, suppose this is in .r. So here we say fresh will insert this, and after that sized use, so sized will insert again meta field here used sized. Well, let me see that. Dot kind of local should look like this. Okay, suppose it will be look like this, equal to size of these are actually variable modifiers. So first it as left to right fresh will called first on this variable, then sized will called. We can even create the class of these variable modifiers. Like fresh and sized. These are variable modifiers. These are very simple, but this is plain old data for old use. Plain old data use. I hope you getting the idea. These are very simple. Fresh simply 0 out this memory, variable memory, and sized is specially usable with some Win32-bit API. We can even develop other kind of and later we will later see variable modifiers. These are variable modifiers, fresh and size. So hope you are getting the idea. For next is smart. Let's talk about smart now. This should be defined as simple as that. We have that every allocation of size, say but we smart it. But here we must define a meta property of allocate smart non-nil free. This will automatically call if data free data on return from this function. Let's build the function body. There is no need to clean up auto by smart because for smart there is information provided, so automatically smart will save a variable return from and automatically this is some basic idea. I hope you are getting the idea. Again, with smart non-null free, this function should support wide pointer, or maybe this was implementable, and these are just raw ideas. Then we will later see or do about more research about these ideas. I hope you are getting the idea. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to create more videos like this. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.